This is a heck of a messy job. I'm washing the last bit of the husk off the walnuts. I found the easiest way is to get one of these metal scrubby things, a little bit of shallow water in the bottom of a bowl, and just sort of smush them into the corner. And I was doing them individually, but it's actually making my arms ache, so I'm doing it this way, and they're coming out not too bad. I've already got a big jug full of the leftover water, which apparently is full of toxins and good to get rid of unwanted plants. So I'm going to test that with a few weeds and just see how it goes. There is a tree at the end of my garden I want rid of. I might try it on that one. So no, only a leylandi. So they come out pretty good. It is hot water, which is why there's all the wispy stuff coming off it. It's just I can't be bothered to get cold hands. And I have noticed as well, let me just put this down for a second. The tannin is so strong, it's actually come all the way through the rubber glove and staining my hands. Look like I've started up smoking. But yeah, anyway, I think that'll do. I've got some drying on top of the wood burner already, and I'll let you know how it turns out. Thanks for watching.